especially in classics. 2006 Cadillac XLR-V. This particular car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Spent the majority of its life in Arizona. It's been a fair weather car, not driven any sort of inclement weather. A little over 38,000 miles on it is all. Of course, underneath the hood, 4.4 liter supercharged and intercooled V8. 443 horse, 414 pound-feet of torque. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Yes, these will get up and go. As you can see, riding on the 19-inch wheels. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, the engine bay, the interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Let you get a good look at the fascia, front grille, of course, black in color with the neutral interior. Paint does show well on it. It's black. You may have a couple real tiny little specks where the previous owner has touched up, maybe just a little bit of a rock chip or what have you, but overall this one does show well. Great car to get in and go have some summer fun. Of course, it has a retractable hardtop, and that is power. We're going to run that up here at the end of the video and check that out, and I'll show you the mechanism, how everything works. Did mention the neutral interior. Center console, of course, bucket seats, leather. All the amenities that you're going to expect in a Cadillac. Also has the windscreen added back here. Nice little addition when the top's down. Doing a little cruising in the summer. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Center dump exhaust. You can see the rear parking assist. Backup sensors. Nice reflection coming off that paint. And once again, still pictures, so you can see this car top to bottom, inside and out. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side. Pretty much free of much for any dings, anything like that. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the interior of this. We'll look at the exact miles, and like I said, I'll work that top over also. Alright, Bose stereo system, of course, power mirrors, power locks, power windows, power seat with memory, steering wheel controls. This particular one also have heads-up display. Alright, let's go ahead and start it off. Get rid of that door chime. Alright, heads-up display controls over here. Driver's information here. And then, of course, steering wheel controls. On the wheel, of course, there's your exact miles, 38,850. As you can see, no warning indicators, no check engine lights, anything like that. Navigation, stereo system in it, or CD player down below, and dual electronic climate control. Rest of the dash, also all in nice shape. I'm going to slip around behind this so you can hear it run. I also want to show you the engine bay quick. Pop that in a second. Let's check out the sound. Also, if you notice, the windscreen does light up. Sounds like you'd expect. Nothing crazy going on there as far as aftermarket exhaust or anything obnoxious. Slip up to the front. I think I got that hood to pop. Alright. We'll do this one-handed, let's hope. There we go. There it is, 4.4 liter. Supercharged and intercooled V8. Very smooth running, well taken care of. No doubt about that. You can tell it has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Look at the hood liner. Nice and clean. Again, 443 horsepower, 414 pound-feet of torque. And once again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Spent the majority of its time in Arizona. Been a fair weather car. All right, I'm going to pause this a second, grab somebody to assist me here a second, and we're going to run that top up so you can see everything working on the retractable hardtop. We'll take a peek at that too.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, got a little help to get the top up here, and we'll run this up so you can see the mechanism and everything work on these. And I ran it down before doing the video, so as far as everything working, you're in good shape. There's a car cover in the trunk. If you've seen that, I will include that and leave that in there for the next owner. There you go, 2006 Cadillac XLR-V. A little over 38,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click a link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call and email.